Hola, I'm Dr. Jessica Gomez. I'm the Executive Director of Momentous Institute, and I'm a bilingual clinical psychologist by training. Momentous Institute is a 100-year nonprofit that works at the heart of education and mental health. We provide robust mental health services to the community. We have an elementary school that focuses on social-emotional health and robust academics, and then we do training and content development for professionals that work with children. My lived experience is the reason I am a clinical psychologist and that I work in the field of mental health and education. I was born in the South Side of Chicago, first-generation Mexican-American, and got to really see what it takes to overcome the obstacles in a community, from access to healthcare, to knowing how to navigate the language of education, to having equitable access to just resources. So that really set me up to have a commitment to make sure that we remove barriers for all children so that they can reach their full potential. Some of the unique challenges that the Hispanic community faces is the same ones I grew up with, which is we don't talk about our mental health. In fact, we're more ready to talk about my stomach hurts, my head hurts, than talk about our feelings. So we have to normalize and accept that it's just part of the human experience if we're ever going to talk about mental health in the Latino or Hispanic community. I think the way we can initiate conversations around mental health in any community, regardless of what some of the beliefs are, is to normalize mental health, to recognize that it's part of the human condition and that emotions range across a spectrum. You're going to feel sadness, you're going to feel happiness, anxiety, and those emotions aren't necessarily a bad thing. It's when we learn how to manage them and what they're telling us that we can really tune in. So if we could start looking at it as part of our whole health, I think we could really start destigmatizing mental health, and that it's not just something that happens to some communities, but it's part of being a human.